Welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered if a simple drink could help regulate your blood sugar overnight? Imagine waking up with balanced levels, renewed energy, and a healthier outlook on your day. Sounds incredible, right? But how do you know which drinks actually work? In this video, we'll explore 6 powerful drinks scientifically proven to stabilize blood sugar while you sleep. We'll dive into the benefits, the science behind them, and how you can easily make them part of your nightly routine. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll know exactly what to drink and how to maximize their effects for better health. Before we begin, here's a quick reminder. The information here is for educational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet, especially if you're on medication for blood sugar management. Now, grab a pen, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Number 1. Green tea. The first drink on our list is green tea, renowned for its impressive health benefits. Did you know that drinking green tea before bed can help stabilize your blood sugar levels overnight? The secret lies in its polyphenols, particularly epiglycatechengalate, or EGCG. EGCG enhances insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to process sugar more effectively. It also inhibits enzymes responsible for breaking down carbohydrates, which helps slow sugar absorption. A study published in Nutrition and Metabolism in 2020 revealed that participants who drank green tea daily experienced significantly reduced fasting blood sugar levels. This makes it an excellent addition to your evening routine. Incorporating it is simple. Brew a cup of unsweetened green tea and enjoy it 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Not only does it help regulate blood sugar, but its soothing properties also promote relaxation, setting the stage for a restful night's sleep. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV. Number 2 is apple cider vinegar, a time-tested remedy for blood sugar management. The key lies in its acetic acid, which slows the breakdown of carbohydrates and helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. A 2019 study, published in the International Journal of Medical Research and Health Sciences, found that consuming ACV before bed significantly improved fasting glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. The study also highlighted ACV's ability to enhance insulin sensitivity, helping your body utilize glucose more effectively. To incorporate ACV into your routine, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons in a glass of water and drink it about 30 minutes before bed. If you're new to ACV, start with smaller amounts to assess your tolerance and protect your teeth from its acidity. And remember, consistency is key for long-term benefits. Number 3. Cinnamon tea. This delicious and aromatic beverage is an effective way to help manage blood sugar. Cinnamon contains bioactive compounds, such as cinnamaldehyde, which enhance insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose metabolism. A 2019 study, published in the International Journal of Food Science, found that participants who consumed cinnamon regularly experienced significant reductions in fasting glucose levels. Additionally, cinnamon slows digestion, helping prevent sharp sugar spikes after meals. To prepare cinnamon tea, steep a cinnamon stick or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Enjoy it warm before bed, to allow its active compounds to work overnight. Not only does it help regulate blood sugar, but its soothing properties also promote relaxation, setting the stage for better sleep. Number 4. Fenugreek Water. Fenugreek seeds are a nutrient-packed powerhouse, especially beneficial for blood sugar control. When soaked overnight, they release soluble fiber, which forms a gel in your stomach and slows sugar absorption into the bloodstream. A 2023 study, published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, revealed that participants who consumed fenugreek water daily experienced significant reductions in fasting glucose levels. The amino acid 4-hydroxyisoleucine, found in fenugreek seeds, stimulates insulin production, naturally lowering blood sugar levels. To prepare fenugreek water, soak 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, strain the seeds, and drink the water on an empty stomach. Consistency is key. Make it a regular part of your routine to maximize the benefits. Number 5. Bitter melon juice. Bitter melon, a staple in traditional medicine, is a powerful natural remedy for managing blood sugar levels. This tropical fruit contains charantin and polypeptide P, compounds that mimic insulin's effects and enhance glucose uptake by cells. A 2021 study published in Plants demonstrated bitter melon's ability to lower fasting glucose levels and improve overall glucose metabolism. Drinking its juice before bed supports your body's natural insulin production during the night. To prepare, juice 1 fresh bitter melon after removing the seeds, and consume 50 to 100 milliliters before bedtime. Its strong bitter taste can be diluted with water or slightly sweetened with honey. Consistency is key for noticeable results, but if you're on diabetes medication, consult a healthcare provider to avoid potential hypoglycemia. Number 6. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is a versatile drink with impressive benefits for blood sugar control. Packed with antioxidants and polysaccharides, aloe vera helps boost insulin sensitivity and improve glucose metabolism. A 2016 study, published in Nutrients, found that aloe vera significantly reduced fasting glucose levels in individuals with prediabetes. It also promotes gut health, which plays an essential role in stabilizing blood sugar. To incorporate aloe vera into your routine, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice with water, and drink it 30 minutes before bedtime. This simple habit can support better overnight glucose regulation, while offering additional digestive benefits. Consistency is key, so stick with it, and expect noticeable results within a few weeks. There you have it, 6 incredible drinks that can help flush out blood sugar overnight. Whether it's green tea, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon tea, fenugreek water, bitter melon juice, or aloe vera juice, each offers unique benefits backed by science. Incorporating even 1 or 2 of these into your nightly routine could make a big difference in your blood sugar levels and overall health. Have you tried any of these drinks? Which one are you excited to add to your routine? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.